Hello, and welcome to this series where you'll learn to write a winning resume that will get you to a first interview. Since companies don't have time to interview each and every candidate, they ask them to send resumes to decide which candidates are worth interviewing. Thus, if you want to move forward in the application process, the first step is to create a resume that immediately displays that you are an excellent fit for the position. In this series, you will discover the needs of your potential future employer, match your resume to those needs, learn how to format a resume and create a visually impressive document, and create a resume that will increase your chances of getting invited to a first interview. The episodes are hands-on and require your active participation to create a winning resume. Each episode includes extra materials such as quick summaries, checklists, and links to external free resources. Make sure to check them out. That's also part of your resume preparation. Let's get started.